The Meghalaya government is seeking diverse opinions on the proposed railway projects which have faced opposition due to concerns about influx. MDA spokesperson Paul Lyngdoh emphasized the government's openness to listening to all viewpoints, including pressure groups and local organizations.
To allow for a space and a platform for diverse and sometimes divergent views to be expressed. We would like to onboard all stakeholders, those opposed to railways, those who are pro-railways, and those who are neutral to the idea of railways. But we would like to see and view the entire gamut of issues from not just a single viewpoint, but diverse points of view.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh stressed the